Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the alternator on your Infiniti G35. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Having the right tools, such as a serpentine belt tool and a good set of wrenches, will make this job much smoother and quicker. Let's get started with the first steps. Now that safety is covered, let's get to the alternator itself. The first major step is to remove the serpentine belt. You'll need to locate the belt tensioner, which usually has a square drive opening for your serpentine belt tool. Apply pressure to release the tension, then carefully slip the belt off all the pulleys. This gives you clear access to the alternator for removal.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more DIY guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, especially when you're under a car. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the belt off, you can now focus on disconnecting the alternator. There are usually two main connections: an electrical plug and a main power wire. Carefully unplug the electrical connector, then use a wrench to remove the nut securing the main power wire. Once these are free, you can unbolt the alternator from its mounting points. It might be a bit snug, but it will come out. Installing the new alternator is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully position the new unit and secure all the mounting bolts. Don't forget to reconnect the main power wire and the electrical plug firmly. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, using your tensioner tool to create slack. Double-check the belt's path to ensure it's correctly seated before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.